Alrighty, thanks for joining today. I'm going to be talking about the stump grinder I just bought. So I bought a Vermeer 252 stump grinder. This is basically to take out all the stumps in the yard. I had cut down 30 trees at the property I just bought, and it is my primary home. So instead of hiring someone to do all the stumps, I figured, I'll try it myself. First time ever owning a stump grinder. I bought a used one. I paid $7,000 for this one, and here it is. So Vermeer 252, again, it has a Kohler 27 horsepower engine. I would say it's just in okay shape. I got it from a landscaping company, and it has dual front tires on both sides, and then in the back it just has a hand steer. So basically you just rotate this back and forth. That's how you steer it. It actually works better than I thought. I thought I'd want the rear hydraulics, but I don't know. After using it, I think this might be the way to go. Oops, sorry for the light. So when I got it, I tried to grind a couple stumps, and the teeth that came with it, the guy didn't give me any extras, but I used the yellow jackets. These are the Vermeer IP, if you would. It's their stump grind teeth, and the pockets that they go in are also Vermeer as well. So what I did is I'm going to take these all off, and I'm going to put the Greenteeth kit on it, and I'll show that and tomorrow once I get it installed. I'll maybe show it when I'm installing it. But as you can see, these teeth were getting dull. There was 16 total teeth on there. Here are all of the jackets I just got done, or the pockets I just got done cutting off. So here's what a pocket looks like. These were bolted in there like so, and then the tooth was in that hole, and then it would cut this way. So I took all these out because my teeth were dull, and I figured, well, by the time I spend money on it, I might as well buy the upgrade kit. I heard a lot of good things about the upgrade kit, so I'll let you know what I think about it. I cut with these teeth, and then I'll cut with the Greenteeth as well, and let you know. Anyways, that's what the pile looks like when it's done. So what I did is I used a die grinder with a cutoff wheel. Here's the two wheels that are pretty much gone. Not much left. And I just bought this Menards brand Performax. And here it is, basically just the die grinder. And then I used 4.5-inch metal cutting wheels from Performax, which, yeah, they're all right. They don't last long. I went through 2 full ones and then almost a third. Also, when you're doing this, be very, very careful. This was super dangerous. Make sure you wear gloves, safety glasses for sure, and I'll kind of show you where I cut on each one. So you kind of, so here you can see the pocket. There's the hex side, and then there's the thread side. So you cut the thread side, and the threads would have been like that. So you basically cut right through the middle there, and you get as flush as you can with the metal. As you can see, I made some mistakes here, but it's actually not too bad. Some I did pretty good on, so not too worried there. But anyways, once you cut through there, use a chisel, and you're gonna chisel out this part here. This is what that piece would have looked like here. So you chisel that out. Once you do that, this will finally break loose, and then you'll be able to remove the one side and then also do the other side. This one I was able to get out so you don't see it, but do both sides, and then should fall right off. So simple as that. Well, that was easy. One other thing, do that outside, because that made a big flipping mess, and I was trying to keep my garage somewhat clean, but no, I really messed that up. So do it outside. One other thing, when you're doing this and you're trying to loosen up the bolts, you're going to want to use a rod. Some people use bolts, but basically I have a piece of rebar, and you stick it through this little hole right there, and that goes all the way through the wheel. I'm not going to do it right now because I have to turn the wheel. And basically it holds the wheel in place so you can wrench on it as you want, and works really well. So actually I got to leave that over there because I got to put the new teeth on tomorrow. Also, if you call Greenteeth, they have really good customer service. Give them a call. talked to them about their product. They seem to know what they're doing. So I was pretty happy with my conversation with them. I definitely recommend giving them a call and checking out their product. They make, sounds like a good teeth. I'll let you know. Alrighty, full disclosure, I'm not advertising for Greenteeth at all. I'll actually probably do a review after I put on some hours, let you know how many hours I did, show you how flat or sharp the teeth are. Supposedly these are the wear sharp teeth, so you shouldn't have to sharpen them. We'll see. Our soil is sandy with a little bit of rock, mostly black dirt though on the top, so shouldn't be an issue there. One other thing, when you're putting specifically the teeth portion, so it comes with the tooth, the lock nut, and it also comes with this tapered washer. So I can get in focus, there we go. So basically what you do is you put the tooth up here, slide it into position, and then the tapered washer goes right there. See if I can get this on video. Put the tapered part down towards the pocket, like that, and then put the bolt on top, and you're good to tighten it up. So that's how them work. 35 foot-pounds, that's what I'm doing there, and then 180 on these sides. But make sure you read the instructions because it's different for each model. This is a 900 series Greenteeth. Others might be different. So, alrighty, I'm going to finish up here and enjoy the video. Stay tuned for how many hours I get on those teeth. I'll show you how much they're worn. And yeah, they're looking good. Excited.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands